with Half Dozen Customs. We're back out here on the Monte Carlo. It is Monte Monday, so we got some Monte Monday action for you. We are going to work on trying to get these control arms off, get ball joints disconnected, spring out, all that fun stuff. That's a long clip there. Whee! It actually pushed the car off of the jack stand over there. Okay, stand out of the way. Okay, so I'm just going to pop this lower bolt back on here real quick. So I think I'm going to try to pop this top ball joint so that we're not having to try and do it on the workbench. I think it might be a little easier to do on the car. trying not to kick the compressor on because it's leaking. it's time to bust out the impact here. So kick the compressor on and I'll be back. It hasn't been on in days, so it's going to take a minute to fill up. Alright, I'm back. That was a pain in the butt. That bolt was stuck in my socket and I could not get it out. I heated it and soaked it with PB Blaster and beat on it and beat on it. I got it, but man, it was a struggle. And now we're gonna do it again. Mud dauber. Alright, well, I'm not gonna make you don't look like it's going to be easy to get to, but I can reach my hand up in there and get on the bolts for the engine mount. But anyways, I was going to say I'm not going to make you watch me take apart the other side, so we'll see when that side's all apart. Wish me luck. It's out. I'm out. Have a good night.